Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be discussing 10 ways to make your cruise more romantic. So you're going on a cruise and you want to know ways that you can spice it up for you and your partner. Don't worry, I've got you covered. We're going to talk about 10 ways that you can make your cruise more romantic. Number one, let's have a date at the bar. All right. So what you want to do is you guys going to arrive to the bar separately. It can be any bar on the cruise or wherever you guys want to hang out, or you can be on one of the lounges if you're not a drinker. But one person goes to the bar, the other one person will meet them there and try to pick them up. You guys will start flirting with each other. Check out his skills. Can he still pick you up today, or is his game a little whack? So that's the first one, is to do a little bit of role playing at the bar. Number two, if you've got a balcony or even if you've just got a regular room, candles. I'm going to recommend that you guys put some candles in your room. I'm not talking about real candles because those are prohibited on a cruise ship. I'm talking about candles like this. These type of candles are battery operated. You can put them on your nightstands or anywhere around the room. It'll give a nice moody vibe. And you can also take them out on the balcony if you've got a balcony and set it up real nice as well. Those always help to set the mood. So the second way is candles. Number three, rose petals. No, I'm not talking about real roses and bringing those on. However, you can order those from like the gift shops on Carnival or Norwegian or Royal Caribbean. They usually will have flowers and you can have those delivered to the room. But we're talking about something that you're going to bring on the boat with you to try to make it a little bit more romantic. I'll put a picture right here so you guys can see these rose petals. These are fake rose petals that you can just put together and hide them in your luggage and pack it to go on the cruise with you, and no one would ever know. Sneak away from your partner and go decorate the room. You know, make the little heart shape with the roses, those kinds of things. That is a way that you can make your cruise romantic. But like I said, if you do want to order the cruise flowers that they have on the cruise ship, you can do so. But a cheaper alternative is just to buy some fake flowers. You do want to be considerate of your in-cabin steward. So make sure you clean it all up pretty good, because those jokers can get everywhere. I mean, you can find them everywhere around the room for like ages, it seems like. But make sure you clean them up and not leave it for your room cabin attendant to have to do. That's kind of rude. All right. Number four, have breakfast in bed. You know that you can go ahead and order room service the night before by usually putting it, the little thing on the door, what you want to order, or you can get up in the morning and call room service and tell them what you want to have delivered for breakfast. Get it delivered to the room and eat it in the bed. That is a very romantic thing that you guys can share before you get your day started. Number five, mimosas and chocolate covered strawberries. Doesn't that just sound delightful? If you've got a balcony or even if you've got a regular room, this is perfect for setting the mood. You can, on Carnival, you can bring on one bottle of wine, the small bottles, not the big bottles. You can bring one bottle of wine per individual that is over 18, or is it 21? I'm not sure. The drinking age is different on the boat, so you can research that. But definitely if you're over 21, you can individually bring your own individual bottle of wine or champagne. And they also have under the Carnival gift shop, as well as like a Norwegian as well. They have in the gift shop where you can order strawberries. They have these cute little strawberries that you can put, they have like different designs. I'll put one up here so that you guys can see it, but it's really cute. You can do this in the morning, you can do it in the middle of the day, or you can even do it while you're winding down your day and just have strawberries and mimosas, or just strawberries and champagne. So if you want to do the mimosas, bring your bottle of champagne on and then order some orange juice from room service, or whatever kind of juice that you like to, or mixer that you want to bring with your champagne. Number six, we're going to spice it up a little bit. Make sure you pack some lingerie, bring your toys, bring a wig, something to make it different than just being at home. So that can be really romantic. Say your partner's in the bathroom showering and you've already showered, put on some nice lingerie and surprise them when they come out the bathroom. I bet you that will get the mood rolling. And don't let you be in a wig, girl. Who? He want to see other people? That's you. Put that wig on, girl. Show them your other people too. Number 7, you can spice things up or make things romantic by bringing on some massage oil onto the boat with you. I particularly like this massage oil, but you can bring whatever type of massage oil you may have at the house or that you want to order. This is on Amazon, and I will put links to everything that I'm talking about in the description as well. So if you want to pick that up for your cruise, you can do so. But a massage oil, and you guys can take turns giving each other massages either the same day, or I do one today, you do one tomorrow, or however you guys want to spice it up. But nothing brings you guys closer like a nice romantic massage. Bring you guys closer, touch, touch, feely, washy. It's all good. So say you want an elevated experience, you don't want to bring your own massage oil, perhaps you guys can go ahead and book a couples massage. They are not cheap, but they are really worth it. I will remind you that they will try to upsell you the whole spa at the end of the massage, but you guys can book a couples massage. You guys can be in the same room where you're getting worked on by your individual masseuse. And it's just really romantic for you guys to share that time together, relaxing, and then you guys can go back and enjoy the rest of the boat after the massage. I absolutely love the steakhouse dinner when you go on the cruise boats. It's just like, yeah, you can go to a steakhouse like Mastro's or Ruth Chris or something like that, and you're gonna spend $200-300. But these are $42 just for like a Carnival steakhouse dinner. So why not go as a couple and enjoy the night, have a good steakhouse dinner, or if you like sushi, the sushi restaurant is also really nice to have a nice date night where you guys dress up, go down together, and it's like a date on the boat, and that's really romantic. I really enjoy eating at the steakhouse or the sushi restaurant, and it is romantic as well. My last suggestion for how to make your cruise more romantic is an in-room boudoir photo shoot. Did I pronounce that correctly? Boudoir. You know, the sexy photo shoots. So buy your spouse something sexy. Get them some silk pajamas or silk boxer pants, or you can bring your lingerie and just take photos of each other. Sexy photos of each other on the cruise ship. It'll be something fun to do just to let out your wild side, your romantic, sexy side, and just something different to do that most people might not be doing, but you guys can spend that time together as a couple. And of course, you can even delete all the photos if you're not that kind of individual that likes to keep that kind of stuff or will print it or keep it for future records. You can always delete it as soon as you guys take them and review them, but it's just something to do as a couple. So I hope that these 10 things are things that you might actually consider doing to make your cruise a little bit more romantic with your partner the next time that you cruise. I also leave some more of my travel tips and videos here. So if you guys want to check that out, you can do so. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like the content that I provide on this channel, please consider subscribing. I want to thank you guys for watching and let you guys know that I love ya.